kaboxing.
Boxing TV.
Ito mga kaboxing, second bout na po ito. Ayan po. Ayan po mga kaboxing, red corner, agresibo pa rin po. Ito, sa mga hindi nakakala mga kaboxing, yung coach nila, yan yung legendary coach ng Davao City mga kaboxing. Ayan, Sumampong po. Yan yung legendary coach. Alam niya na, kilala yan ng lahat mga kaboxing.
Representing General Santos City of Union Boxing Team, please welcome Raymond D. Polo. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red club. His official weight 106.4 pounds. He wears red ring, black trunks. He has a professional record of 1 victory, 1 defeat, 1 bout lead, representing Island Garden City of Sam, Boxer Roshi Pamplona. This is a 4 rounds of professional boxer. Fighters center ring for final instruction.
After this 4 rounds of boxing,
Ayan na po mga kaboxing, second bout na po ito, first round. Ayun mga kaboxing, luhod mga kaboxing, ang lakas. Pinasukan ng uppercut mga kaboxing. Hindi kinaya mga kaboxing. Ayan mga kaboxing. Hininto na po ng referee mga kaboxing. Pinasukan po ng uppercut. Ayan. Pinasukan po ng body shot mga kaboxing. Ayan po mga kaboxing. Bumawi po.
With 30 seconds in the very first round,
Pinagalitan po yung
knockout picture. Ladies and gentlemen, boxer